ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯕꯦꯡꯒꯂꯨꯔꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯌꯦꯂꯪꯒꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯌꯔꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯕꯦꯁꯇꯨꯗꯅꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯡ 10ꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯒ 12 ꯐꯥꯎꯕ 5 ꯗꯦꯖ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ 5ꯅꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯔꯣ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯁꯤ 18 ꯁꯨꯕꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ 2-2ꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯔꯣ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯣꯁꯤꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯀꯝꯄꯅꯤ ꯀꯌꯥꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯌꯔꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯐ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯦꯔꯣꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯁꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯦ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯆꯩꯁꯤ ꯌꯣꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯔꯣ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯝꯄꯅꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯥꯛꯏ ꯑꯦꯠ ꯗ ꯁꯦꯝ ꯇꯥꯏꯝ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯁꯤꯡꯗꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯔꯣ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯛ ꯀꯌꯥꯅ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯀꯌꯥꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯣꯝꯖꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥ 2-3ꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯣ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯟꯂꯥꯏꯟꯗ ꯔꯦꯖꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯤꯗꯤꯌꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯤꯖꯤꯅꯦꯁ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯔꯣ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯝꯄꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯆꯩ ꯌꯣꯟꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯦꯌꯔꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯐꯀꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯦꯂꯤꯀꯣꯞꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯗꯤꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯦ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯇꯣꯝ ꯇꯤꯚꯤꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯌꯣꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ
Rolling, yeah, rolling
पृथ्वी की मफम क्या लाप मई क्या एरो शो से क्या ममांग हाईजगनी था अहम मरी ममांग रेजिस्टर तौर शो से खुद चाव फंगीबनी हजिक तुंगी तोान तोान पृथ्वी लेबाक मैम लाप US लाप अमेरिका लाप इवन जापान फ्रांस मैम मागी कंपनी की एयरक्राफ्ट मिसाइल हेलीकॉप्टर मैम शो तौर मधुगे पोत कानबी उटकदरबनी हजी तुंग तोान तोान मी मैम हजिक शो से लेपना चथरी मखाता निमित मरीनी मंगानी चथगदबनी लाइव तांग कुंदगी हौरगा तांग कुनी फाव चथरगा एरो इंडिया मरुब मगुल मैम शो तौबुसिनी Hauzi Bangalore the Pangthoiba Aero India 2019 gi adugumba pavilion amadani hariba expo asigi yamna interesting oiribadi expo asida tuan ba countries sinagi mogi product sing missile gi oibi aduga aircraft gi oibi natraga helicopter gi oibi hariba sing asigi model sing asi ho display toraga mayam da yinghanba aduni aduga product sing asi tuan ba company sing na magi company sing da adugumba aircraft service oriba sing asugi develop tongno da acho mateng oiri adubu handa pangthoiba Aero India 2019 asida Manipur gi oina yamna kannagadoriba yamna interesting oiba part am oiribadi lamjingba group na haiba Aero India sida tongan ba Russia gi farm ama adu atopa farm amaga adumba sign tonadana aircraft kun gi mathakta lowraga Manipur da adumba Manipur gi oizaba aircraft service tama aduba akhoi flight service tama hongnana ba pandam thambai besni aduna haiba lamjingba group ka tongan ba company ani ga type toro matungda type up toro matungda 2000 akhoi vision 2020 haiba sigi February thawag manungda adu anoba aircraft service tama launch togune haibasni adubu atopa adu lamjingba group ka partner oiriba asigi managing director na phongdobagi matung inadi haiba si 2020 gi adumba February yoding mamang da fawda 2019 sibawda loshalaga adumba 2020 gi business asida mai pangna wangum pugi leiriba sing asida direct okay flight lehen bagi thong cha phangani haibasini
but you need a right business model to sustain that business. There's an opportunity in India. There's a numbers of flying, 1.3 billion people. Only 3% of people are flying. There's a huge gap.
Sure.
And we have a space to start an airline or build an airline same as Indigo. There's a space that's still available in India. So that's why we are looking to get onto Sukhoi because for Sukhoi also we are maybe the launching customer in India. Okay, and even we don't want to go with the Airbus or Boeing. We want to come with the because our relationship with the manufacturer and the airline is very important.
Sure.
First initiation and it's very necessary for a startup of both the party. It's
Even we talked with that with the CFO of in the show, but I don't know. Let me first meet and get the clarity on how they can support us. Then we will talk. So we will sit together and we will continue this how this possible. So the business model it's very new. That ensures that money will go every month without default to the reason. This is a very neat will ensure that okay, I'm going to get this money every month. Most of the airline depends on the revenue model of tickets. When the ticket will sell, we will pay to salary, we will pay the air fuel, and we will pay to the leasing company. But we have a model that for particular aircraft we induct, we have a certain kind of things that which ensures that total leasing amount will directly be credited to the amount every month. For per aircraft, we have this kind of model. We have made this kind of model.
Then we will come here and continue this discussion with him. You could ask him some questions there,
Sure.
but better to keep it closer.
Yes,
and,
yes.
You know the.
yes.
And one question: what
See,
layout of aircraft do you need? Are you sure that you need the same layout like Interjet?
yes, because 100-seater aircraft will be the game changer in India.
But Interjet they've got 93.
They will. They told that 93 or 96. He told me. The
93.
old aircraft is of 93. The new one they induct, they have some more sitting capacity.
Yeah.
What they told, but you can increase the capacity, sitting capacity. They have told that you may increase it to more 6 or 12 seats in that.
Yeah,
What
sure.
they do with the new model.
Okay.
Aero India si ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯥꯡꯅ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯒꯣꯕꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯜ ꯋꯥꯔꯜꯗꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯦꯔꯣ ꯁꯣ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯏꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯦꯌꯔꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯐ ꯂꯤꯃꯤꯇꯦꯠꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯠꯂꯨꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯏꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯦꯌꯔꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯐ ꯂꯤꯃꯤꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯝꯄꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯈꯪꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯥꯏꯇꯔ ꯖꯦꯠ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯃꯦꯅꯨꯐꯦꯛꯆꯔ ꯀꯝꯄꯅꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯌꯔꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯐ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒ ꯃꯨꯆꯨꯋꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯌꯔꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯐ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯟꯗꯔꯁꯇꯦꯟꯗꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤቭ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯗꯤꯁꯀꯁꯟ ꯂꯩꯅꯈꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯔꯨꯁꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯆꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯌꯔꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯐ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯂꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯉꯥꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯄꯤꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯝꯖꯤꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯆꯥꯔꯇꯔ ꯑꯦꯌꯔꯂꯥꯏꯟ ꯁꯥꯔꯚꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯅꯦꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯆꯥꯔꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯕꯤꯖꯤꯅꯦꯁꯀꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯣꯞ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯦꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯖꯤꯕꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯏꯀꯅꯃꯤꯗ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯀꯨꯏꯅ ꯂꯣꯡ ꯇꯥꯔꯝ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯅꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯐꯤꯖꯤꯕꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯕꯤꯖꯤꯅꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯅꯣꯔꯃꯦꯜ 100 ꯁꯤꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯌꯔꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯐꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯝꯖꯤꯡꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯀꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯌꯔꯂꯥꯏꯟ ꯁꯥꯔꯚꯤꯁ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯀꯦꯅ ꯈꯟꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯇꯤꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟ ꯋꯥꯔꯛ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯑꯦꯌꯔꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯐꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯛ ꯁꯚꯥꯒꯤ ꯏꯂꯦꯛꯁꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯈꯤꯇꯪꯗꯤ ꯊꯦꯡꯊꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯏꯂꯦꯛꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯂꯣꯏꯕꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯦꯛꯁ ꯏꯌꯔꯒꯤ ꯗꯤ 2020ꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯕꯋꯥꯔꯤꯐꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯅꯉꯥꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ
Hi, this is Kumar Kingshuk. I'm a director with Pavan Sut Aviations Private Limited, which is a part of Lamzimba Group. We are coordinating and we are partnering to start a aviation company based at northeastern states to cover up northeastern states and also to connect northeastern states to different part of the country, mainly in Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad. Direct flights. Not about that you have to go and take a layover in Guwahati or in Calcutta. It will be direct flight from Imphal or from Agartala connecting to Hyderabad to southern part of the country or towards the northern part of the country. So we are looking into it. We have met two manufacturers, aircraft manufacturers, Embraer and Sukhoi. We are looking for a long-term partnership with them. We will use both aircraft as we have already signed a deal with Embraer. The deal has already been signed and the first aircraft is coming for a show on 20th of March in Delhi and 19th in Mumbai. So we will be there to welcome the aircraft. The first aircraft is coming. That's we have signed on. And so with Sukhoi we are looking into it because 21 aircrafts we are getting from Mexico. So they are negotiating it hard how to support it because if we get the aircraft, the main important is to get the support, service, maintenance, pilots, everything. So Sukhoi will directly come into a picture and they will support and they will help into making all those things, arranging all those things. So we are looking on, things are in the development process. Everything is going very nicely. Things are taking time, but for sure, people will see a very good airline, very established, very good and fantastic airline with the service and the quality. So that's our target, but we will start before that. We are telling that we will start with 2020. So of course we are looking into it, but our target is to complete this project before in 2019, so that in 2020 we can fly full-fledged. In the first phase of that, we'll fly in the full-fledged. So we are in the process. Let's see.
This Aero India show is one of the biggest in the world. It's a place to come and meet the entire industry at the same place, and it's a great place to do business, make new friends, and make new business opportunities right here in India. When did I decide to attend this show? So I came here 2 years ago and 2 years ago before that. So I've been attending and watching Aero India grow over the years. And so for me, this is the main show to come to find opportunity. It's improving every year. Every time we come back, it's bigger and better. The infrastructure is better. So there's no feedback from me as to what I would improve. I would just say more of the same, and maybe make it more frequently.
Expo sigi yamna maru ibo oribadi tuan ba company sing pungthokpa adu ba product sing adu hairiba expo sida koi achouba business ama to buya bagi khudong chaba phangba aduni amoromda expo sida khwaidi yamna interesting oribadi hairiba expo sida tuan ba countries sing dagi poraiba product sing maruna USA gi aduga Russia gi Korea gi Japan gi leiba mayam sing asi koi display toraga jet ki oiba aduga koi missile gi aduga helicopter gi leyo mayam sing asi haiba display toraga mayam da puning chingchen ba asini aduna chahi ani lerga pangthok ba asigumba Aero India sna kadai phawbada mayam gi pungling chingchen bangamba aduga adumba IT gi lam sida aduga aeronautic gi lam sida bharana kadai phawda mangjin tharaga chatpa ngamba haibaduni yam jing lebasi aduna mathangi chahi ani lerga mu pangthok kadoriba Aero India da karamba anouba mayolama purakadaga haibadudi khoi chahi ani mu ngai khibada bani